On behalf of Ms. Johnson, state your name, please.
Erica Johnson.
Good morning.
And so we've got a possible resolution, it just needs
Okay.
approval, so, if we can kick it out.
I have June 4th or June 18th.
Was that the 18th, Judge?
18th? What time?
Was that,
Is
is that what we're turning to?
Or is it, I can't hear.
Yeah, I think we need to.
Yeah, I think schedule it.
So the 4th? But let me just look at this client, I think it's here.
You think there's something else on the phone?
Ms. Manorino, are you all right with June 4th?
Yeah, June 4th.
June 4th, all right?
Yeah, that's, yeah, I could only hear you talking, I couldn't hear from in there.
So I have you at 8:30 though that morning. If we're doing a motion hearing, it's gotta be later.
That's fine.
You're good to hang out?
Oh,
with us
yeah,
in
yeah.
the morning?
Yeah, of course.
His office isn't that far.
Right.
Oh, you know, he's very busy, you know, usually.
Yeah, you gotta do some office.
I need to get that little Vespa so I can come on up here, you know.
I would actually take.
Or what's the segue?
Yes,
That'd be better.
that would be even better.
Do you have the balance for that?
You go fast enough. Yeah,
Automatically.
you go fast enough. You don't have to have good balance.
I just wanted to drive in court and see you by outside of the.
All right, so it's gonna be June 4th at 10:30.
Thank you so much. Good to see everyone. Take care.
Have a good day.
I'm sorry, I got up. I don't have to see any copies.
I think it is just.
For who?
That's what you're talking about.
Oh.
Bill,
Yeah.
if you plan on, if it is gonna end up being a plea that day, you can both be here at your 8:30.
Yeah,
If
Oh,
you're
sure.
handling the motion, it'll
That
be
makes sense.
10:30.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay,
No, that's
thank
good.
you.
Yeah.
and you'll know before that day.
Right. And back surgery was when you would have known when that you could have tried to reschedule.
Hi, Judge.
What do you got?
She has there's a formal on Sparrow Group, it's a.
Arrow?
I remember the file, but nobody's here, so. I just even get her out of here.
What time was the schedule?
And also, I think that was a Wayne County one. The other one, I think.
Is it? It's white.
And why it was today.
Well, it's probably, I'm just guessing, we're still doing that MSCU, aren't we? Where Ramos is prosecuting for Wayne County tickets?
But that would be a 60, and yes, that would be.
Right,
And
this,
that's
yeah, I think it's, yeah, it's the dog. That's why,
Right.
that's why I wasn't.
This would be the.
So you're saying it's mine regardless, is that what you're trying to tell me, Heather?
Deputy, what did your notice tell you? When do you had to be here? Does it say 15 minutes before the scheduled time?
Oh, she just pulled the docket.
Oh.
You know, this says,
I-
it says in person, doesn't say how soon to be here beforehand.
Do you need her to sit around for a couple more minutes?
At least 11:30 or when I leave for lunch. All right, because I'd give them a half hour, give you a half hour. All right? Just sit right there so I don't forget you though.
Let me see the file.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Bowditch.
Mr. Green, you got the file, please. I like the form right here, you wanna see it?
Oh, the one that you ripped in half?
No, I got one that I gave to the judge.
I've got no ops and open intox, dismiss DWS. All right, so I got it. Open index and allow.
Yeah.
And dismiss DWS and no proof. Go ahead.
About speaking on behalf of Mr. Green, Mr. Green, Judge,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be trying to.
Your Honor, two distinct concepts for executing plea agreement with Mr. Green, in which he pleaded guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle. That's and open talks in the vehicle, with all the other matters being dismissed.
Okay, Mr. Green, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yeah.
You understand those rights and the options they present to you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of open intoxicants? Up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Understood? Is that a yes, sir? All right. And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Understood? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to these two charges today?
First, you need no contest, please.
You got the facts that I need?
I think probably get it from the ticket.
Sir, you're going to plead no contest to these charges? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Do you understand that when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge? You understand what a no contest means? I think the ticket, the appearance ticket has enough facts on it to support the plea. I'll accept the plea to the two added charges, dismiss the original charges.
That's satisfied.
What should I know before I sentence Mr. Green?
Well, Your Honor, this all happened unfortunately, a mishap about his insurance. But kind of spiraled out from there.
Mr. Green, anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, are you working or retired? Where'd you retire from, sir?
Carpenter, driving Carlton over the,
How long you been, retired from the union?
all of you know,
Good for you. No shows. What's the status of Mr. Green's license?
I believe he's valid. Your Honor.
This is fun.
You still suspended?
yeah, we're gonna be,
File the motion,
All right, so we're dismissing that.
but he'll owe $45
Yeah,
to clear it.
and then he can get his license back.
It looks like.
Can you pay 45 today?
Okay.
All right, so then you can get your license back. All right. Yeah, you got to go to Secretary of State to get your license back, but the 45 will clear you to do that. You understand that?
Don't take a sec, I see.
All right. All right, fines and costs on each of these two files, $250 for a total of $500. Can you pay that today, Mr. Green, or you need options? Go downstairs. You want to just set up a payment plan?
Yeah.
All right. All right, go downstairs, set up some kind of payments, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, whatever works for you. Any questions? Good luck.
Your Honor, I believe that's sweet enough.
Thank you.
Anything else for me?
Mr. Johnson, whose case had remained pending while the court worked through earlier proceedings. The judge clarified that the matter was connected to Wayne County tickets originating from Romulus and explained that Mr. Johnson should have appeared earlier during the session. After reviewing the situation, the court asked him to remain available while the necessary paperwork and case file were processed, demonstrating how even routine procedural issues can require patience and proper scheduling within a busy courtroom. Another significant case involved Mr. Green, whose matter was resolved through a negotiated plea agreement. He faced charges related to open intoxicants and allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. During the hearing, Mr. Green entered a no contest plea, meaning he did not contest the allegations while allowing the court to resolve the case. The judge accepted the plea arrangement, dismissed the more serious underlying allegations, and imposed a total of $500 in fines and court costs. The court also provided guidance on establishing a payment plan and informed him that an additional administrative payment could help address his license suspension. This case demonstrated how plea agreements can provide a practical resolution while still holding defendants accountable for their actions. The final noteworthy matter involved Donovan Lai, whose case centered on discovery issues and the exchange of evidence. The defendant explained that he had been seriously injured after being struck by a vehicle and had undergone significant medical treatment, including surgeries related to those injuries. Given the circumstances and the ongoing need to review evidence properly, the judge decided that proceeding immediately would not be appropriate. Instead, the case was adjourned to allow additional time for discovery and preparation. The decision reflected the court's effort to balance efficiency with fairness, ensuring that all parties have adequate access to the information necessary for a proper hearing. These closing cases served as a reminder that courtroom proceedings involve far more than simple verdicts. From administrative delays and negotiated plea agreements to complex cases involving serious injuries and evidentiary concerns, each hearing required the judge to carefully weigh procedure, fairness, and accountability before reaching a decision.